Hi, welcome back to Mechanic Garage. Mechanic driveway at the minute, just can't get in the garage. However, today I'm going to pull the gearbox out of this 207. I've got the parts on the way. I'll get the gearbox out on time lapse and then I'll do the rebuild full time, real time. I got new driveshaft CV joints for it. I'll get those done as well. So let's get on with it. I should make some progress and see if I can get this for sale and gone. Right, first things I need to do is get rid of the airbox and all that pipe work back off again, get a battery out, maybe the battery tray, I don't know, just how much room there is. Right, I've not got my mic on, but there's the drive shafts out, and you can't really see when I'm done. That one especially, really loose and floppy. Right, you got new ones. Before you take anything apart and start fitting anything, keep these clean, because you want to check they're the same that way, and because it's French, you never know what's what. To make sure it fits into there, which it does. It's on the splines, so that's one good thing. Got all the top of this out. It's literally bell housing bolts, drop it out. It's up on axle stands, drove it up on ramps to lift to get a bit of height, then put it on blocks with the stands, handbrakes on tight obviously, and in case of lowering it down out of there. Simples. Right, that's it. Ready in the vice. Hose clip. It's secure, but it's a rubbish way of doing it. Because this catches stuff and it's out of balance. But you know, the slack in that, most of that is potentially the end of the shaft anyway. But when you get the rotational turning, that click in there, that's what you're hearing when you drive it. It's the other side that's worse. The driver's side wasn't as bad. So get this off, get it stripped, get the new one on, and then I'll swap it to the other one. Now this clip here is a original one, so this is the original factory boot. So it's probably a pretty good quality one because it hasn't split, but it's coming off anyway, so I've got new ones. I'll try and undo this, but honestly I think I'm just going to cut it. Yep, tight, so I'm going to cut it. Handy cutty tool.